Alright, today I'm going to show you how to use a can opener. So this is a can opener, right? You see how it has latches in here, like these little things. This is used to open up the can. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it next to the can. I'm going to show you like right here. Make sure this top part is over the lid and the bottom part is under the lid. And then I'm just going to pinch, squeeze it until you hear a pop like that. Okay? So once I've done that, I'm just going to take this and take the handle and just turn it. Turn it until I go all the way around. Be careful because the can be sharp, okay? And I'm going to get all the way around. And it comes around and the can has been fully cut all the way around. So I'm going to take something like a fork and I am going to come in, just press down, be careful, and pull the lid off. And that's how you use a can opener to open a can. Let me know if you have any questions.